Hello and welcome back. I hope you're doing very well. In today's video, I share with you how to make perfect Nigerian fried beef. I'll also share with you the ingredients I use to season my beef to elevate my cooking. To start, I'll proceed to add the organ meats into the pot first. I'll be using 1 kg organ meat and I will explain why I'm doing this much later in the video. After adding the organ meat, I'll add the beef. I'd also be using 1 kg of raw uncooked beef. Now, here is the thing, organ meats take longer to cook, so that's why I like to add my organ meat first. Now it's time to season. I'd add some ginger. I'd also add one seasoning cube, that's the big seasoning cube. After crushing or crumbling the seasoning cube into the pot, I'll proceed to add my onions. I'll be using two medium-sized onions. I'll add my onions and then I'll add the other ingredients that you must have. One is 1 tablespoon of thyme, 2 bay leaves. I'd also be adding, okay, by the way, you can add more than 2 bay leaves. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add less, but 1 tablespoon is fine. And I'll proceed to add water. For this recipe, I'll be using a lot of water. But what I like to do is first tell you to subscribe to this channel and click on that bell button so that you will be notified the next time I post another video. And of course, if you like this video so far, why not just give me a thumbs up? So after adding the water, I'll proceed to mix everything up very, very well. The reason why I like to add the water last is because the water just helps me get all the other ingredients down to the bottom of the pot and I don't have to do a whole lot of mixing. Now, I'll be adding garlic as well. Yes, I like to add garlic because garlic helps me soften my beef well. And I'll be cooking for 30 minutes on high heat. After 30 minutes, this is what my beef looks like, and it is well cooked. Yes, so now that I'm done with cooking the beef, it's time to move on to the next step, which is separating the beef from the beef stock. The beef stock is essentially the liquid you see in the pot. You see, when you're cooking any form of Nigerian soup, you need beef stock to elevate the taste of your soup. There are several other dishes that you need to use beef stock for as well, like jollof rice, like moi moi, like egusi soup, okra soup. The list is endless. Now, here is a cooking hack for you. If you're looking for what to elevate your cooking with, if you're looking for how to, you know, change the dynamics of your cooking to make it, taste amazing and awesome, use beef stock. Beef stock, like I said, is the liquid you get after boiling your beef. Now, I'll save the beef stock for much later and it's time to fry. I'll pour some oil into my pot and put the beef or cooked beef in the hot oil. I'll be frying both sides of the beef. So I want to say this. For me, I don't like my beef to be too dry. So I like to fry it to have this juicy taste and feel when I put it in my mouth. So I'll be frying both sides of the beef for about 10 minutes. That's 5 minutes on each side. Yes, so after the first 5 minutes, I'm turning my beef to fry the other side in the hot oil. And after the other 5 minutes, I'll proceed to scoop out the beef from the hot oil. It's that simple. Now, cooking beef, making Nigerian fried beef is so easy and is so nice. And when you follow this step, you would surely get a very delicious fried beef that is ready to be cooked with your soups or just enjoyed with your meals generally. I hope you have learned something today. And if you have, you can give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on that bell button so that you will be notified the next time I post another video. Take a look at my fried beef.